Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Ford F150's AC. First, ensure your engine is off and cool for safety. You'll need an AC recharge kit, which usually includes R134A refrigerant with a built-in gauge, along with safety glasses and gloves. Take a moment to locate the low-pressure service port under the hood. It's typically on the passenger side. Always double-check your owner's manual to confirm the correct refrigerant type. But R134A is common for many F150 models. Now, start your F150's engine and turn your air conditioning to its maximum cold setting with the fan on high. Pop the hood and carefully remove the protective cap from the low-pressure service port. This port is designed to only accept the low-pressure side fitting, preventing accidental connection to the high-pressure side. Firmly attach the quick connect fitting of your recharge hose to this port until it clicks into place. Before adding any refrigerant, check the initial pressure reading on your gauge. With the engine running and AC on high, begin adding refrigerant. Hold the can upright and squeeze the trigger, adding refrigerant in short, 5 to 10 second bursts. Shake the can gently between each addition to ensure proper flow. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge. You want the needle to settle within the green zone, typically between 35 and 55 psi, while the compressor is running. Overcharging can harm your system, so add slowly and carefully until the pressure is stable and correct. After the gauge indicates the correct pressure, release the trigger on the can and carefully disconnect the quick connect fitting from the low pressure port. Replace the protective cap securely. Turn off your F150's engine and take a moment to appreciate the cooler air flowing from your vents. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. For long-lasting comfort, consider their lifetime warranty. Regularly monitoring your AC's performance will help keep you cool on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.